Welcome to Kompo SmartStor. I'm going to talk you through the complete process of design to build of our Kompo SmartStor. Once you have partnered with us for the Kompo system from HTS, all we need from you is two things. Firstly, a list of items you would like to stock. These are typically your fast-moving plant and workshop consumables. Secondly, the amount of each of these you would like to stock. Once this is confirmed, then it's over to us. We then design a tailored storage solution that is specific to your requirements. This storage solution has been designed with not only the plant and maintenance workshops in mind, but also can be suited to any MRO environment. If you want a bulk stock of maintenance fluids that you can decant into smaller containers, then the canister shelf is perfect for this. With the easy tip to pour feature, this makes it a dream. Or if you want to store aerosols or hazardous chemicals safely, then the Kosh cabinet is exactly what you need. Or small component boxes for terminals, fuses, O-rings, etc. fit perfectly and uniformly into the drawer unit. A selection of cable ties can also be easily stored in this cable tie dispenser, and the system also has neat, robust and practical parts bins for fittings, fixings, etc. Your selected items are then thoughtfully and intelligently allocated to space on your Kompo SmartStor. All the shelves will also be labelled with part number, description and your maximum stock level. The labelling is a fundamental element of the entire system, making a visual stock check very quick, that quick notification of what needs to be reordered. Once this is complete, confirmation of the size of racking needed is confirmed with you for you to arrange a space ready for install. Once all the stock is ready and the Kompo system has been built, an installation day is agreed with you. Our team will then build, arrange and label all your new Kompo system on site. This usually only takes a few hours. Then the finished article. All this culminates into a compact, space-saving storage solution bespoke to your needs.